Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool underline here, and basically what this is the door draft stopper that you can put underneath your door to prevent any kind of wind from getting in, and also kind of help you guys eliminate some of the noise if there is any from the outside. And the receiver, the one that we got right here is from this brand, and right here they do probably got some specs and features on here, and they mentioned the side of the product when you guys do use it. And right here on the side, they also provide guys some more specs about the product as well. So they mentioned how it has wear and tear resistant, easy to install, and it is machine washable for the cover. But first, I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So I can see there's a lot of different parts inside. Let's take it all out. So here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then right here we do have the cover. So once you guys open the cover, here is basically what the product looks like. So literally how you guys set it up is actually very easy and very simple. All you need to do is put this inside right here. So there is a Velcro option right here for it to open up. It basically wants to insert speed on this side and speed on the other side. So just like this. Make sure it goes all the way in. Once you guys got it all the way in, you're gonna stick that on the Velcro. And once you guys finish setting up, here is basically what it looks like. So when you do feel the fabric that's on here, it definitely feels pretty nice. It definitely feels like a high quality fabric that they use on here. Way more high quality than any other ones I've used in the past. But literally all you need to do is slide this underneath your door, and it's supposed to help you guys with all the stuff that I mentioned earlier. So whether if you guys do it on this side or if you guys do it on the other side, that is totally up to you guys. Both sides should work. I do want to mention for the foam inside, it is customizable. But depending on how wide your door is, you guys can cut the foam inside to adjust it based on your own preference. And you see how long the Velcro is on here, so it is totally customizable based on your own preference. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here you see I already have a door draft stopper. And when you guys do feel this one, the material that's on here definitely feels really soft and very smooth. Compared to the one that's from the Everlasting Comfort when you guys do put it on. It's much thicker. But literally all you need to do is just slide this underneath your door and it starts working. So I do take this one out. This is basically what the product looks like in the bottom. So you see how it does collect a lot of hair when you guys do use it, especially if you guys are a pet owner. Like I mentioned, for the cover, it's washable. Same thing for the other one. So now let's put on a new one to show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so right here we do have the one from the Everlasting Comfort brand. So all we need to do is just slide this in. So just like that. Once you guys do slide it in, then it's all set. And like I mentioned, when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels a lot better and a lot more thicker as well. So when you guys do close the door, that is basically what the product looks like. So I'm going to put the camera outside to show you guys what it sounds like, to give you guys an idea of whether or not it's like soundproof when you guys do use it. So right here is basically what the outside looks like. If you guys do close it up, this is basically what the product sounds like for the outside or the inside. So you probably can still hear a little bit from this side, but it's not as noticeable compared to without it. And you guys notice when you do open it, it actually gives you guys a lot of coverage to give that soundproof design or the windproof design, to give you guys that blockage for all of the heat, the wind, or the unwanted sound from the outside, which is pretty nice. But right here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. And you see it definitely does work. It actually looks pretty nice when you guys do set it up. Welcome back, guys. So nice so quick test, the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. And you see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. All you need to do is just slide this underneath your door and it just starts working immediately. So whether if you guys want to use it to prevent like the heat or the snow or the wind or anything from coming in and out, or even sounds in general, that is basically where one of these actually comes in handy. But it's really important to remember when you guys do purchase one of these, you have to make sure to do the measurement first before you guys do purchase it. Because if it does not work or does not fit, it might not work for you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality under the door draft stopper to help you guys prevent any kind of heat, snow, sound, wind from getting inside. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.